Hey, happy new year. Long time no see. I'm so sorry. 2024 was a year where like I was kind of like starting a new job. I was getting in the ebbs and flows of what that looked like. um yeah, and was just kind of finding like a work-life balance and just kind of seeing what I could take on. But 2025 is a year where I'm done playing with my own potential, because yeah, like that's covered now. 2024 was like a planning year. Now is execution. So yeah, I am dedicating myself to really be active and on a schedule to where I am consistently posting on my socials because Lord knows as much time I spend on the socials, I'm not actually posting on them. Like, and that's not benefiting anybody. Especially when I have all these cute ideas and outfits that I just be cooking up and I just don't be showing them because I don't simply pick up the phone and film. But anyways, what is new? What's new? So it is the top of the year. I am actually traveling to Colima, Mexico to visit where my mom is from. So I've never been in Mexico. This will be my first time. Don't even speak Spanish. Like, it's gonna be very interesting. So yeah, so right now I am, I have like a maintenance going on. So I already did my nails, my hair's already done. Shout out to my bestie. So really it would just be like getting my eyelashes refilled and then kind of just getting my eyebrows situated, but also packing. Like, I don't know what to wear, y'all. Like, I never know what, like, usually with a vacation, like, you get like an idea, but for some reason, like, I'm having a hard time figuring out what it is that I want to wear here. Also too, like, I don't want to take a big bag. Like, I really just want to carry on, pack for 5 days and just be like, that's it. So there's that. So we are just gonna see what looks like. So I'm actually gonna put some outfits together like right now off the fly and see if it works. Yeah, need to check the weather in Colima because I don't know. My sister told me, like, don't pack too much hot stuff because it's bipolar and it might rain tomorrow. Like, I don't have time for that. Like, I don't have time for the inconsistency. Like, it's already bad enough that it's like that in California. Like, I don't need to leave, go on vacation, and the weather's still bipolar. Like, come on now. Like, anyways, but it would be fun to get some sun because it's been cold. So yeah, let's see what it do. Yeah. Oh, my vacation try-on haul. If you watched that one, you would know that I had a lot of like summer pieces that I actually didn't get to wear because I didn't go on that vacation. I don't know if I necessarily want to bring those on this trip because I just feel like it's not like that type of vibe. Like, I definitely want to be like cute, summery, but like the stuff that I had wore was kind of like too resort like, and I'm not going to a resort, so I kind of want to see if there's some things that I have bought previously that I can take, but without screaming I'm going on a resort, because I'm really not, so that's also the thought in my head about it. Oh yeah, I took a break. I went to get my eyelashes done. You see them? Nice and full. And then I realized, like, I needed to wash all my clothes. So I finally washed them all. And now I have some, like, things that I think will be cute together. I'm gonna put them on and y'all can let me know, First things first, you gotta start off with an airport fit. You need to want to go in and want to come back. So the first I was thinking, like, oh, look, a cute little workout set, like a little zip up. It's Zella. It's really cute. And like it has like a nice like little fleece inside. Not too much. But yeah, this is brand called Zella. It's from Nordstrom. So yeah, it's like really cute. You can like put some like sneakers on with it. And I was gonna pair it with my favorite shoes of all time, my New Balance. I love the shoes. Like I forgot what number these are. Maybe the 990s. They're in kids, but these are like my go-to shoes. Like I need another pair of these. But with some socks, like that's an airport fit, you know? So there's that one. So with this outfit, I don't know, it doesn't give like vacation. I feel like I want to like experience it and the potential of this outfit, like going out here, like going out on my own time, going on a date, something. I just feel like this outfit has a lot more potential than a vacation. You know what I'm saying? Like I just feel like I can do a lot with it, and I need more time to like solidify the outfit. I have not worn this skirt. I've had it and I have not been able to find something with it, and I just feel like I'm getting closer to having an outfit for it, but I don't think it's like vacation outfit. I think it's like, I say this one for I'm going out, going on a date or something. Like I just think she deserves a little bit more attention. Yeah, that's what I think. Okay, so okay, this outfit, I think it eats. This would be cute. I think I'm gonna wear this with like some all white shoes. Well, they're not really all white. They're more of like a off-white, not off-white, but like a white with a green undertone type of look. They're Wolf & Shepherd. I'm like, I really don't care about the shoes like that. So I think it'll be a good pair to go with that. I'm gonna show you what the shoes look like. This is the shoe. So, you know, Wolf & Shepherd. They're comfortable. Like I said, I think it'll be easy to pair with like a lot of things. Like that's like my white shoe. So that would be cute. And I don't know how I did my hair, but like I think it's a cute like casual outfit. And then the one piece, this one, I feel like it's just a good go-to because it gives like summer vibes, like casual. And I don't really think I'm gonna be dressing up like that, like dress up. But I think it's a cute like I can go like walk around in. So that would be cute. That's it. So right, so far I have 2 outfits. That's good. 2 outfits so far. Now, with the shirt and the pink, like the shirt and the shorts, this really cute. It's real summery. It's like just in case it's a hot day. But also, I'm gonna take a pair of black jeans, and then if it's cold, I can wear it with the black jeans. And I'm still gonna be, you know, covered up. So there's that, and then I might bring like a jean jacket as like a second option for like a jacket, so it's okay like if I get cold. So that's 4 outfits really. This one I actually think is like my favorite one, the bathing suit with the long skirt. I just think that's a cute like little beach day, but like walking in the city type of thing. Like I don't know, it's just a good like sightseeing, kind of ready for 2 occasions. Just gets like I just going around, walking around, doing something, and we decide to go to the beach. Ooh, I'm ready. So that's a cute day beach look. So that's outfit number 5. And then I have just like a regular, depending on how I feel type of mood, just like a regular like baby tee and a jeans skirt. And then I may bring like another workout set, like a pair of leggings and a shirt. And then I think that's like a good in between to have for everything. And then the dress, obviously the dress is like to die for. Only wore it once since I've gotten it, and I need to wear it again. Like somewhere. And I have it in orange. I never wore the orange one anywhere, but I really just love the yellow. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my little vacation try on, help pick an outfit with me type of thing. So now, like, I kind of just have to put it in a suitcase. I just don't know what to anticipate, so I'm kind of like, but I think that'll be cute. So stay tuned for the next video where I'm actually like vlogging my experience, and then I'll try to get like some videos out there with the actual outfits styled and, you know, complete with like a face and, you know, just my little razzle dazzle. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. Peace, love, and happiness, y'all. Yeah.